hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today's adventure, we're going to go to a baseball game. Not just any game, going to a Dodger game. So, got my shirt here ready to go, and my hat. So, let's go enjoy some baseball. To get in, tonight is actually Filipino Heritage Night, so got the hat from the previous game. Tonight I believe we're getting some really cool jerseys, so once we get in we're gonna get those and you know, wear it up. Alright, we're waiting to go into our seats. We're just waiting for a couple more people, so we're gonna have fun tonight. We found our seats, so we're gonna go grab some food right now because we're starving. Dodgers are down by 1. We're in the 5th inning. Nacho bucket cap home. Little souvenir. Call it a night here at the Dodger game. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a really good time. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I have more adventures just like this next time. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, see you guys later.